So right now there is no PWM signal as the ADC read is here is actually 0, and this read is printed on port B. You can see that all the pins are 0. That means the ADC read is 0. So that's why the PWM duty cycle is also 0, and the motor itself is off. Now if I increase the variable here, I mean increase the voltage to the ADC, and ADC reads some value, you can see here the increment, then motor speed also increasing little by little, right? So like this, if I keep increasing the ADC signal, ADC pin voltage, the value is increasing, the PWM also increasing. At the same time, the motor speed is also increasing. So like this, if I increase it to the maximum value, then the ADC will be maximum and the motor will be in maximum speed. Using this technique, we can use or utilize this PWM signal to control any DC load where you need to control the DC such as motor speed or lamp dimming. Then you can utilize this PWM signal for controlling of that load. But note that depending on load condition or load type, MOSFETs or diodes or any other circuitry that can be different like from this. I hope this will help you. It's a very small and basic example, and at the same time, is also very useful too if you can utilize it.